Hello, this is Lava, and welcome to the second episode in Lava City. Yes. And we're going to be joined by Critter. Just Critter today. No. Okay, today, we're going to be building a cafe. Okay, Critter's already here. Last episode, I'm not sure if you watched it. If you haven't, go watch it. Yeah, we don't need this anymore. Yeah, last episode we built a police station, Lava City Police Department. Let's go check that out real quick. Yeah, this was built off camera by Critter is the bird. Yeah, and yeah, this is what we built last episode. If you watched it, a police station. Yeah, we got an aquarium, front desk, waiting room, help desk, and the interrogation room. And I'm happy with it. But this is not all we're doing today. We are going to be going just next to it and building a cafe. So, yeah. Let's just... Okay, yeah. Let's start then. I'm not sure what we're doing. But, Critter, should we do it like as a spear, like a spherical shape? But I'm not really good at spheres. I can't see the word sphere. I end up saying spear, which is, but yeah, not right. I cannot do that. Wait, what if I do like... This isn't very good. This is not a circle. Wait, your side's actually looking better than mine. Wait, we can try it. I don't know if it will look good, but we can try it. Maybe not, to be honest, but it's always worth a try. I'm not sure about this. I'm gonna lie, correct. I'm not really sure about this. It's definitely not the best build I've ever done. Critter, is it just me or this ain't great? I like the way you're going, but the shape doesn't fit it, so we're redoing the shape. Wait, okay, let's do Critter. I have an idea. Well, let's go with your idea, basically, that you said before the video. And we can go for like... I'm not sure what I'm doing really, but bro, this horse is getting in the way right now, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so there we are. Wait, oh yeah, like that. Do the walls. It's raining. I don't like rain, so I'm disabling the rain. Let's go. So yeah, the wall will probably have to be a bit higher, but yeah. But I'm gonna start doing the floor. Is this gonna be the floor? Correct. Are we gonna do a mix of some other blocks or just this block? Are we gonna do a mix of blocks or just this block? This. Is this what we're going for? Wait. I do not trust myself at building. I guess. Okay. Oh, okay, that looks decent. Can do that then. Okay, this might take a while. This is not going to be the most entertaining thing in the world. Yeah, I'm definitely not the best commentator, but I do not care. This is going to take forever. I'm not going to lie. Okay, so let's see where we're at right now. Okay, this is gonna take forever. Okay, Chris is working on the roof, I think. After this, I might do some texturing to the walls because it's a bit like plain just spruce logs. So I might do some texturing for the walls after I do this. Yeah. I'm not sure about the black stone though, only thing. I'm not 100% sure about it. What about, wait, I'm not sure if there's any other block though. I mean, you could do sandstone, so, like we did for the floor. I don't know. I don't know if that will look good, really. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Wait. Wait. I'm not sure where. Oh, I want to have a look to see if this would fit. Would this fit? Let's me see if that would fit better than the blackstone and whatever that block's called. I mean, I'm not sure. It's worth a try, maybe. Maybe, It's difficult, wait. Okay, Bro, this floor is taking way too long. Correct, can we swap jobs? I'm getting very annoyed with this. It's getting annoying. I'm just gonna start experimenting with some stuff. Wait, would this look? Nah. Okay, here we've been not recording for 16 minutes now, and I don't think we're really near done. We're still doing the outside of it, so we need to hurry up, not gonna lie, because we need to get this kind of done today, and we're not gonna get that done. That's not gonna happen at this rate, basically. Actually, I might have jinxed it. Well, in a good way. Because I think we've done the outside. After I said we're still doing the outside. Yeah, let's fix this from, like, the outside. Or the inside, I mean. Okay, so... Okay, now we can start doing it inside, I guess. We can do some tables and chairs. Not gonna, I quite like this table design. I think it works. So I'm joining VC. Okay, and we could do like an outside porch area here where they can eat outside. Okay, so I don't know if this is good at all, but yeah, we're getting there hopefully. I think we need to make like a bar area though, where you can order your food and stuff. Yeah, that as well. We also kind of need, you know, like a ceiling, because half the cafe's kind of missing that right now. Wait, is this the kitchen? Is this the kitchen? Okay. I'll change the floor then. Yeah, we should probably add some stuff in here. And get a lever. Fill this up with water. We could add some more. Add some more sinks maybe. Yeah. Maybe some more furnaces and smokers. Yeah, some barrels maybe. And maybe like chest here. Yeah, I like this. I'll probably add like one more table here. We need to add some lights though in here, because there's not really any. I still have one more thing I'm gonna do. Well, try, at least. Wait, I might try it, you know. I don't know, but it's not a good idea, is it? But it's worth a try. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna work. Wait, actually, what if I do? Correct, if you can you like add lights in there? We can do this. Might not even work, to be honest, but I will need to make sure everything's safe while I do this, because if it's not safe, then yeah, it's not a good idea if it's not safe for the build. Make sure there's no open bit. So yeah, I need to get out quick and close it back up. I'm not sure. Wait, yeah, probably not, you know. I'm probably gonna, you know, get rid of that. Get rid of all this. Wait for the lava to, like, get out. But I am gonna do it. I have a better idea. So I'm thinking I can do like I'm not sure about this. Yeah, no. This is ugly. I admit now that this is ugly. so now we can just like get rid of all this. I was gonna make it like a lava bucket at the top and call it like a lava cafe or something because it's Lava City. But yeah, it kind of looks really bad, so I'm not doing it. At least I can't do it well. So yeah, Volcano Cafe. That works. Oh, yeah, I actually really like this, to be fair. I really like this, to be fair. This looks good. Oh, wait, my bad. Wait, actually, did I do that wrong? No. Yeah, but I think that might be it for this video. Let's have a look at this. I think it looks good. I'm happy with it. Let's view it from the house. We've now got a police station and a cafe, Volcano Cafe. So yeah, that's good. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, bye. Yeah, I'm not good at intros. Bye.